Right, so if you're like me, you haven't been super impressed with GPT-5. It's not horrible, but it feels very different. So maybe you're wanting 4o back. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways you can use the other models. Of course, there's always Playground Open Router where you can get GPT-5 and the other models like 4o, 4.1. You still have access to o1 here. So that's the most straightforward way. Or if you just want to stick with ChatGPT, go down into your settings. And in this general tab, scroll down and the show legacy models will be turned off. It's going to be toggled off. Just toggle that back on. And now you will have access to at least 4o. So if that was your favorite, like it was for me, congratulations, we still have it right now. Right, hope this helps.